With Love from Bhutan is a Bhutanese movie directed by Charmi Chheda starring Tashi Yoedsel Wangchuk in lead role with Tandin Bidha, Tsheringt Denkar and Kinga Dorji as supporting characters. The movie most likely is about Bhutanese guy played by Tashi living outside Bhutan and coming back to reconnect with his roots and rebuilding his relationship with his parents and friends. The character played by Kinga most probably must be his father, and at the start of the trailer itself, he looks unhappy and doesn't like the music played by the lead, which most probably is a Western music. The generation gap between parents and children is evident even when they live together in the same place. So it's not surprising when the children who live outside come back, the parents or guardians will feel and see you as a stranger as there seems to be nothing in common. Then the trailer lets you know the lead is back to Bhutan after many years, which it is evident from his accent. Seems like the lead will not have a good time like he expected at initial part of his stay. The scene where his father shouts must be him recalling his younger days seeing his father frustrated as an artist. Most likely his parents didn't have a good relationship due to the struggle, so his mother left his father and took him with her abroad. All the characters seems to be in a low mood since after his departure life was not same in the family. The character played by Denkar clarifies there was indeed a problem in the marriage and the mother left without trying to mend the relationship. The movie seems to have a breathtaking cinematography with sweeping shots of mountains where they are seen going for a hike, which seems to uplift the emotions in the characters at the later stages of the movie. And of course, in addition depth of emotions, the movie also will provide Bhutanese cultural values which people nowadays can relate.